guys, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be doing a simple everyday look, something glowy, fresh, and very simple and fast. And again, I don't wear makeup every day and you don't have to, but this is a look that I do every time that I need to put on my makeup fast, something that you can do like in 15-20 minutes before you run out your door when you're in a hurry. And this is something that I do to make my skin look a little bit better, a little bit more fresh. If you would like to see how I do my everyday makeup, you're very welcome to keep on watching.
The truth.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to show you how I do my everyday makeup. And of course, small things change from time to time, but the basics stay the same. And today I wanted to share with you my so-called routine in applying my makeup on a day-to-day basis. So you should know that most of the times on a day-to-day basis I don't use a regular foundation. I prefer to use BB creams, and today I'm gonna be using the Color Cosmetics Expert BB cream with oil control. This is how it looks. It's not too oily and not too heavy, but it's a little bit too light for me, as you can see. So I'm gonna mix it with, whoa, too much. So because it's a little bit too light for me, I'm gonna be taking a darker shade to mix them together. So as you can see, it doesn't have a lot of coverage, but it does the job. It makes your skin a little bit smoother, and that's actually enough for me. But I'm gonna be using a little bit of a concealer, and I'm gonna be using the Essence Camouflage Full Coverage Concealer in the shade 05 Ivory. So now we have to powder our face, and for the powder I'm gonna be using the Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade Translucent. In the shade Translucent. I need to know you'll be here in time. So as you can see, I was setting my eyelids with the same powder, because before that I put a little bit of the concealer on my eyelids, and now it's set, primed and set, and everything is very smooth and shine free. So now I'm gonna be filling my brows, and I'm gonna use the same brow pomade from BH Cosmetics in the shade medium as always, and I'll be right back.
Can you reach me in time? Can you find me in time?
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. For an everyday makeup, that's pretty good. So now we're moving on to the eyes, and most of the time on a daily basis I use only one eyeshadow, and it would be something like this, something mauvey, something very neutral to put in my crease and just to define it a little bit. If you're interested, this is the Essence My Must-Haves collection, and this is the shade 07 Movie Time. Sorry, Movie Time. This is the shade. And I'm gonna be using this fluffy brush. sometimes I take the same shade with a smaller fluffy brush and put it along the lower eyelashes, and this is it actually. Lately I even stopped doing my eyeliner. I was doing it so much that I got really sick of it, and lately I don't do liners anymore, and I like how my eyes look just with a little bit of an eyeshadow and some mascara, and that actually is what I'm gonna do now. I'm just gonna pop some mascara on and we're gonna move on to the face. And on a daily basis I use one of those mascaras. Usually it's either Evershea Vertique Volume or the Essence Volume Stylist Curl and Hold Mascara. And I don't know, today I guess we'll use the Essence Volume one. And usually I just take off almost all the product from the brush and then I apply it, so my eyelashes won't be as clumpy and yeah. So yeah, on the left side I always mess up a little bit, and do you see this mascara on my lid? Yeah. I don't know why, but it's always on the left side. And don't worry if it happens to you, it happens to everybody. It's okay, just let it dry, don't touch it, and then you're gonna take it off very easily. Just don't rush, don't scream, everything is fine. So now I'm gonna be bronzing a little bit, and I'm gonna be using the Essence Luminous Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade 01 Sunshine. And I'm not gonna put any blush on, so I'm just gonna bronze a little bit more heavily.
Gonna find me, I need to know you'll be here in time. I need to know you'll be here in time.
So now I'm gonna be putting my highlighter on, and I'm gonna be using the Essence eyeshadow in 08 Apricotta. And this is a beautiful shade, and I actually do like it very much as my highlighter. You should try it if you didn't already. It's very smooth, it doesn't have any shimmer.
Hold on. No, something's missing here. I need you right here. I need you to light up.
And the same eyeshadow I'm gonna be putting as a highlight into my inner corners.
Can you find me in time?
And again, I'm not using the same highlighter all the time. I'm switching between them, switching the shades. Sometimes I use the more pink shades instead of my blush, and sometimes I'll even put it on my lid to make the look even brighter. These are all very easy steps that you can do every day to make your makeup a little bit more special. Even if it's an everyday look, you can change it a little bit. You just need to have fun, experiment, and look and see what looks better on your skin type, on your skin tone, on your face shape. And for the lips, I actually most of the time go with a lip balm. Sometimes it's with a little bit of a tint to make it a little bit more colorful, like the Labello Cherry. This has a little bit of a tint. It's a little bit pink and makes your lips a little bit more colorful and noticeable. I think it's a great product to have on the go if you want to fresh up your look, because when you have a little bit of lipstick on, it's already making your skin a little bit more light and radiant, a little bit more fresh, and this is it actually.
I feel the air.
So this is it, guys. I hope you liked this video, and this is something very simple and fast that you can do in like 15-20 minutes before you run out your door, and when you're in a hurry and you need to put something on your face to make yourself look as a human being, look a little bit more fresh, as if you slept a little bit more today. That's what I do, and tell me what you do in the comments below, and maybe you could add something to this look. I don't know. What do you like to do? Maybe you would add a little bit of a winged eyeliner. That's what I used to do like a couple of months ago. I used to do it every single day when I wear makeup, and now I like it that way. If you like this video, if you like this makeup look, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos. So yeah, guys, I hope you're having a great day, and we'll see each other in the next one. Bye, guys.
The truth.